today we have here the Mic Air from Insta360, and we're doing a little unboxing and see what is in this box. User manual. Ooh, nice box, carrying box. Let's see what's inside. It's very nice. I always like how Insta360 packs things. We have here the receiver, this transmitter, and this is the button magnet, so you can strongly attach it to anywhere. Like this goes good, like, you know, for your clothes, if you're wearing something, a shirt or whatever, and you want to record that way, you can. This is the wind guard, so if you're outside with a bike, windy day, this will help you a lot. This is what we have here, many things. So charging cable, and you see here, the three connecting points that connect over there. Like that, it connects by magnet, so you can charge it this way. And this are two things. So if you don't want to use your button, maybe you have a thick sweater, or it's just not practical, you have a jacket or something like that, you could use this around your neck and then just attach the camera there and you can wear it. This is another alternative. So this is a little clamp. This is great. Insta360 gives you a lot of possibilities to use the camera, the microphone, sorry. And here you have, they have this rubber thing. Just need to make sure that when you put it inside, this aligns. Whoops. Okay, and this is it. I will be testing this out, and I'll show you some more things that you can do with all these accessories.